Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps on how to allow specific people to see your bio on Telegram's desktop app after the latest update. This feature gives you more control over your privacy and lets you decide exactly who gets access to your information. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 lines stacked on top of each other. Click on them to open the main menu. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find a section called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on that. Now find the option called Bio. This is where you can manage who has permission to see the short description you've added about yourself. By default, your bio may be visible to everyone, but to gain more control, you'll want to change this setting. Choose Nobody. This step ensures that your bio will be hidden from everyone unless you specifically decide otherwise. Right next to the option, Always Allow, there will be a button that says Add Users. Click on it. This is the part where you get to handpick who can still view your bio. A list of your Telegram contacts will appear. Go through the list and select the people you want to grant access to. After you've chosen the right users, click on Save. Telegram will then return you to the settings screen with your new privacy rules saved. To finish up, confirm your selection so the changes are applied. From this point on, only the users you selected will be able to see your bio. Everyone else will not have access to it. It's a simple but powerful way to take control of your privacy and decide how much information you want to share. That's it. You've just learned how to allow only specific users to see your bio on Telegram for PC using the new update. Taking a few moments to adjust your privacy settings can make your experience more secure and more customized to your needs.